Forget everything you thought you knew about the Stone Age. Archaeologists in Saint-Césaire, France, just unearthed a staggering find, the oldest shell jewelry workshop in Western Europe, dating back a monumental 42,000 years. This isn't just about ancient fashion. This discovery is rewriting the story of human culture and creativity at a pivotal moment. Inside the 42,000-year-old factory, at the site of La Roche-à-Pierrot, researchers found definitive proof of a manufacturing center, shells that were pierced and ready to wear right next to unperforated raw materials. Even more incredible, traces of red and yellow pigments were found, suggesting these ancient artisans colored their creations. The Cultural Crossroads. This workshop is tied to the Châtelperronian culture, which existed exactly when the last Neanderthals were giving way to the first migrating modern Homo sapiens. This jewelry strongly hints that the arrival of Homo sapiens brought an explosion of symbolic expression, profoundly influencing the culture of the time. Ancient trade routes. To make these ornaments, the community showed incredible mobility. The shells came all the way from the Atlantic coast, about 100 kilometers away, and the pigments traveled over 40 kilometers. This is definitive proof of long-distance trade networks established tens of thousands of years ago. Join the deep dive. Uncover how a tiny, 42,000-year-old shell bead reveals monumental secrets about human intelligence, trade, and the dawn of symbolic thought in Europe.